Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove PayPal limitations. This is a very simple thing to do. So make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we're going to be doing is opening up our official PayPal account. So go ahead and open up your PayPal website right here, paypal.com. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the home page in which we can log in. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account from which you want to remove the limitations for. So go ahead and log in the upper right corner. Once you provide your info and log in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is our main page where we can take a look at our PayPal balance. We have our recent activity, we can send and request money and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started removing any limitations. Basically guys, there are not too many options we can try. There is basically one main option that we can do so that we can go ahead and try to remove our limitations. And what is that? Well, as you can see in this article right here showing us how to remove any limitations in PayPal, is showing us to contact PayPal customer support. Basically, this is your best bet. You can go ahead and contact them directly using email or by phone or whichever option they prefer. You can even use a chat option and ask them to remove any limitations on your account. So they're going to ask you to provide some proof that the account is yours and so on and so on. You're going to go ahead and be answering their questions, and after that they can go ahead and remove any limitations or problems that you might be having with your account. Basically, that's your best bet to do it, as customer support is always going to be able to help you. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.